Welcome to the Automation Suite software tutorial video by Botspot. In this video, we'll give you a guided overview of the front end and explain the main areas of the interface. Open your web browser and load the Automation Suite front end. This browser-based interface is the central control system for operating your Botspot 3D scanning machine. The front end is organized into four main areas, designed to guide you through the scanning workflow in a clear and simple way. In the upper right corner, you can access global settings, such as language selection. Here, you can choose between different options. You can switch between different color themes. Backend services. Furthermore, you can find the list of the third-party licenses here, and other settings. These options affect the overall behavior and appearance of the front end. At the top center of the interface, you'll find the Preview button. This allows you to turn the live camera preview on or off, giving you immediate visual feedback from the cameras inside the scanning machine. The main control panel is located on the left side of the interface. This panel contains several tabs that guide you through the scanning process, from the beginning till the end. The Scan tab is where the scanning process begins. Here, you can start and stop scans, find basic scan parameters, such as the name of your project, and select the image format before capture. In the Sessions tab, you can keep track of previously recorded scans. From here, sessions can be reviewed, deleted, processed, or transferred to a calculation computer for further processing. The Cameras tab gives you full control over all connected cameras. You can see whether each camera is connected, adjust camera settings such as ISO, shutter speed, and aperture, synchronize settings across all cameras, enable live view, switch between cameras, and set focus across all cameras simultaneously. In the Light tab, you can control the LED lighting inside the scanning machine. This allows you to turn the LEDs on or off and adjust lighting behavior depending on your scanning requirements. The Turntable tab is used to configure the rotation of the turntable during scanning. Here you can select other parameters, like the number of steps and how many degrees you want the turntable to rotate with each step. This determines how the object is captured from multiple viewpoints. To begin the scanning process, start by naming your project. Click Add Scan Name. Let's say we name this Botspot Scan Mask Test 01 and confirm the image format you want to use. Next, switch to the Cameras tab and set your camera preferences for the scan. In this example, we use an ISO of 400, a shutter speed of 1/10 of a second, and an aperture of f11. Once the settings are defined, click Sync to apply them to all cameras. After configuring the cameras, click Live View to manually adjust each camera's lens. It's important to adjust the focal length whenever you scan a new object or anything that differs in size. You can switch between cameras to view each perspective individually. Try to center the object in each camera's frame, leaving a small amount of space around it. When scanning multiple objects, it's best to group them by size. This reduces the need to readjust the lenses between scans. Take your time to move through each camera one by one and make small adjustments as needed. Check that the object is consistently framed across all viewpoints and that no part of it is cropped. This step helps ensure even coverage and cleaner data for the reconstruction later on. Once a lens is set, click Focus, and the software will automatically fine-tune the focus for that camera. Return to the Scan tab and click Quick Submit. Quick Submit is an important step as it saves all selected settings before the scan begins. Now, click Scan to start the scanning process. The scan will take a few minutes, depending on the number of turntable positions and the number of images being captured. During the scan, the animation indicates the current rotation angle, showing the progress of the scan across the full 360 degrees. Once the rotation is complete, you can choose to continue and capture additional images for the dataset, or finish the scan. Finally, go on the Session tab. Here, you can select your project and choose to delete it, process it, or transfer it to a dedicated calculation computer.